In this video, I am going to show you how you can earn money this 2026 without doing anything. These apps that I'm going to share with you today are all legit and are used by millions of people in the Philippines or even around the world. Hey there everyone, I am your host, Teacher Marie, and this is actually the very first video of our newest segment here on our channel called Grow Your Money. So you might be asking me, Teacher Marie, is that even possible? Is that even legit? Meron bang ganyan these days? Kasi most of those who are claiming that you can earn money without doing nothing turns out to be a scam. But what if I tell you that there is actually a legit way that you can do this? And that is making your money work for you. But before we talk about letting your money work for you, let's talk about making money first. And for me, making money has become so much more easier now that I've started using Odoo. Odoo is an online workspace that helps small business owners like myself and even bigger companies manage everything in one place. It has more than 70 business apps that cover finance, sales, marketing, projects, CRM, and so much more. What I really like is that it keeps everything organized with just one login. So I don't have to jump between different tools anymore, which honestly makes running an online business so much easier. Odoo is trusted by more than 15 million users worldwide and supported by thousands of partners. It is powerful enough for large companies, yet still intuitive for beginners and small businesses, which is why it works for almost everyone. So if you want to also make making money a lot more easier for you, then make sure to start using Odoo today. You can start with a 15-day free trial or book a free demo, no credit card required. So yes guys, we are going to be talking about the legit way possible only on how we can grow our money or make our money work for us. And as you all know, there's so many passive ways on how you can do that. But in today's video, we are going to talk about how we can grow our money through high yield interest rates. So we are going to talk about digital banks and how is it better than traditional banks. What are the top 6 digital banks that you can find right now in the Philippines so that you can decide better on which platform or which digital bank should you put your money in. So let's start with the very first one, and we have here Como. So itong Como guys, it is an exclusive digital banking service offered by East West Bank. So like all of the others in this list, Como also offers what we call as a high yield interest rate. Though when you compare it with the others, medyo nasa lower end siya. So currently, Como offers 2.5% per annum, which is still so much better than traditional banks. If you know how much traditional banks are giving us right now, I think only around less than 1%. Now, unfortunately, dito sa Como guys, the interest is credited monthly and not daily. Aside from their high yield savings interest, the 2.5%, they also do free fund transfers. Meron silang free and easy bill payments. They also issue a Visa debit card, which you have to pay a one-time fee of 200 pesos. And then on top of that, they have personal finance tools for budgeting and goal setting. It's perfect for diversification. If you just want to keep it plain and simple, parang basic savings lang siya. Now, the second one is we have Ono Digital Banking app. So itong Ono guys, according here, is Southeast Asia's first full spectrum digital bank. So when I was researching it, I was like, what is full spectrum? So full spectrum actually means that all of their processes are done digitally end to end. So currently, Ono offers 3.50% interest rate per annum. So mas higher yung interest rate na ino-offer niya compared to Como, which I think also is the base interest rate for all the other digital banking apps. Now, if your saving is below 5,000 pesos, then yung matatanggap mong interest rate per annum is only 3%. They also have what they call Uno Boost, where the interest rate from 3% or 3.5% can turn into 6% interest rate. So kapag ilalock in mo doon yung pera mo na 5,000 pesos for the whole 12 months, you can earn 6% per annum for this time deposit. So if you're somebody na, okay, medyo ready na ako to commit to a digital banking app but medyo a little bit conservative ka pa, gusto mo pa rin na simple interface, hindi masyadong overwhelming, hindi masyadong maraming features, Uno would be the best or perfect digital banking app for you. Now, for our next digital banking app, we have GoTime Bank. They're offering 3.5% interest rate. So, yung crediting nila, sadly, hindi siya daily. Yung interest rate mo, nakikredit siya on the very first of the next month. Now, GoTime Bank has more features compared to Uno Bank or Como. They have here save and invest options. Meron din silang tinatawag na Go Save. And then they have multi-currency time deposit, saving tools, meron din silang shop cashback, pay via QR, PH, Go Rewards, and international travel. So yes, they offer a physical debit card. Itong physical card nila is actually free. So you just have to go to a GoTime kiosk. So they have a link where you can click on it and find if there is a GoTime kiosk in your location. If you want to enjoy more features than what you can already find in Como and Uno, GoTime would be the best or perfect app for you. Now, number 4 out of the 6, this is actually my top 1 digital bank as of the moment. And that is Seabank, which is now called Maribank. Meron silang interest rate dito na 3.5%. Now, above 1 million, you can earn up to 4%. Now, yung disadvantage lang dito, guys, is they don't offer time deposits or they don't offer interest boosts, but they do offer daily crediting. So, itong features dito sa Seabank or Maribank, para siyang merging ng features from Uno and GoTime digital banking app. And they also have here loans if you qualify. So yes, they also offer a physical debit card, which is only 99 pesos. So if you value more stability instead of flexibility, easy savings growth, and also hindi naman parang grow your money fast, but it's still like growing faster compared to the other digital banking apps, Seabank or Maribank is the way to go. Next, we have here Tonic digital banking app. Tonic is what we call as a first digital-only neobank in the Philippines. So when I research what is neobank, so neobank actually is wala silang physical branch or bank. Interest rate nila dito, they have 4% for what they call as solo stash. And meron din silang tinatawag na group stash where you can earn 4.5% per annum. And meron din ditong time deposits offering up to 6% per annum for a 6-month lock-in. So kapag i-compare mo siya doon sa Uno, which is 12-month, this seems to be so much better kasi 6-month lang siya. So aside from the features that I have mentioned earlier, meron din silang, of course, a physical debit card. You have to pay a fee of 300 pesos, which then covers the delivery and, of course, the card. Matatawag nating all-rounder itong si Tonic digital banking app. So when you're considering of where to put your emergency funds or long-term savings, this is going to be the best and the perfect digital banking app for you. Now, the next is this digital banking app is what they call as the #1 digital bank in the Philippines. It's Maya. Earn up to 3.5% interest rate per annum. They also offer up to 15% boosted interest rates. For this one, you have to keep on using Maya's ecosystem like bills payment, QR, card, online purchases. Ang dami din lang features, guys. Deposit account, credit cards, payment services. Meron din silang debit card, free if you qualify. So, meron silang condition also for that. So, if you're someone who is okay with combining savings and spending, then this app would be the perfect one for you. In summary, these digital banking apps, you can enjoy 2.5% up to 15% interest rates. Now, hindi ko na lang na-mention isa-isa, but all of these banks are regulated or either licensed by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, and also they are PDIC insured, where Most of these insures at least 1 million pesos per depositor per bank. Now, for the documents, all of these digital banking apps require only at least one valid ID, and those are the digital banking apps that you can use to earn money this 2026, even if you're not doing anything. And if you have any questions or if you have video suggestions, just leave all of them in the comment section down below. Lastly, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed on my channel. And that's it for now, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Bye!